So this is Novice Open Production combined with the Masters or the Veteran Rider. Round 1, Erwin Baras Rizal, NAMSA 2025. So sa mga Mindanao dyan, it's Anton Cortez and Roger Atis. Luzon, it's Beberat, Nigel, Jerry Sungalia. Sino ba dyan? Carrie Celestino. Ayan na, binitawan na. Andyan, Ron Mangusong. Wow, Anton Cortez got the whole shot. Wow, Ken Flores from Mindanao got the whole shot. It's Anton Cortez. Wow, grabe. Carrie Celestino, McLaren, Julie Tao, Ron Mangosong, Baby Rat, Ken Flores, Roger Atis, Sungalia. Wow. Ayun, nakawala ang Batang Mindanao from Team Honda Philippines, Anton Cortez. This is round 1. Wow. Carrie Celestino, McLaren, Baby Rat, Roger Atis, Ken Flores, Jerry Sungalia, Ron Mangosong. Sorry guys, hindi ko kilala yung isa. Ayan, Anton Cortez, grabe ka power bay. Wow. Downhill, uphill. Wow, grabe ang tulin mo boy. Wow. Grabe, Berat. Anton Cortez from Mindanao on the lead. This is the battle of 8 laps. Wow. Roger Atis down 4th. Berat on 5th. Lumipad. Wow. Grabe. Pero unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng gap. Anton Cortez. Grabe ang tulin. Wow. Clearing the finish line. Wow. Grabe. Second, it's Carrie Celestino. Third, McLaren. Fourth, Roger Atis. Fifth is Beberat. Ayun, no? Grabe Anton Cortez bay. Iniwan silang lahat. Grabe. Ayan, Carrie Celestino, McLaren, Roger Atis on 4th. On 5th, it's Beberat. Wow. Anton Cortez. Second option. Wow. Grabe. Breakaway Anton Cortez. Wow. Grabe. Yan, Ken Flores and Ron Mangosong. Inside. Ken Flores on 6. Grabe Anton Cortez, breakaway na. Wow. Ang tulin mo boy. Wow. So, Carrie Celestino on 4th, it's Roger Atis. Pero Anton Cortez, breakaway na. Grabe, kalayo ah. Woo! Ayun pang second, third, and fourth, and fifth. Wow, grabe, high speed. Ubos lahat ng kambya. Tuwara. Ayun, breakaway na si The Bullet. Ang lakas mo boy. Wow. Huhuhuy. Grabe. Napatayo si Coach Joby sa ulog. Hala. Hay. Ano nangyari? Roger Atis. Yellow, blue flag. blue flag, blue flag. Breakaway na si Anton bay. Wow. Blue flag, blue, blue, blue. Breakaway by Anton Cortez. Second, Carrera Celestino. Wow. Grabe ang tulin mo, boy. Wow, grabe. Dinaanan ng second option. Wow, 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 wow. Breakaway Anton Cortez. Second, it's Carrera Celestino. Wow, still leading Anton Cortez. Second, Carrera Celestino from Kinder Factory. And third na Baby Rat. Fourth McLaren, Babe Rogerates. Overlap, overlap, overlap. Ken Flores. Wow. Blue flag, may blue flag doon. Parang last lap na, parang last lap na. Grabe. Blue flag, blue flag. Third na si Baby Rat. Ang tolin mo, boy. Anton Cortez. Wow, Pride of Mindanao. Wow, wow, grabe. McLaren versus Rogerates. Oop, inside. Wow. Roger on fourth. Last lap for Anton Cortez. Last lap. Grabe kagahe by Mindanao. Wow, wow, wow. Nag-relax na si Anton bay. Ayun, no? Nag-relax na si Anton. Last lap na. Wow. Carrera Celestino on second. From Kinder Factory. Waiting for checkered flag. The bullet of Kiplawan, Anton Cortez. Waiting for champion for round 1. NAMSA 2025. Erat Paras Rizal. Wow. Tinasta yung checkered flag for Anton Cortez. Champion for round 1. Anton Cortez. Second, it's Carrera Celestino. Fourth, third, it's Baby Rat, Christopher Mercado, and fourth, it's Rogerates. Fifth, McLaren Villacorta, Ken Flores, Ron Mangosong, Nigel Torre. Checkered flag, checkered flag. Checker. It's Jerry Songgalia on 8.